frequency is still active, but nothing human answers anymore. Transmission. Empty. Transmission. No. Signal. No. Signal. Inside moving trains, empty faces beneath flickering lights. Every expression feels emotionally erased, like sleep vanished from the city years ago. Static underneath exhausted eyes, electric tension beneath pale skin. Even breathing sounds artificial now, mechanical, frozen, disconnected. Unstable, signal collapsing, no silence inside the transmission. Warehouse floors, base pressure transmission keeps repeating across the empty skyline. The signal keeps returning in fragments. Like something unfinished beneath the static. Signal distortion, pulse fractured, pressure crawling through the frequency. Acid frequencies ripping through darkness like electrical fractures across steel veins. Nobody speaks inside this warehouse. Only movement, only shadows, only basslines shaking the floor. Broken frequency. Broken frequency. Black static. Black static. Empty reflections behind scratch windows. Every face feels emotionally distant, like the city disconnected from itself. Static underneath sleepless eyes, electric tension beneath pale skin. Even silence sounds artificial now, mechanical, frozen, disconnected. frequencies. Broken frequency. Now signal. Broken frequency. Now red time. The transmission keeps breaking apart. Somewhere beneath the skyline. The noise never fully disappears. It only moves farther into the dark. Underneath dead districts, static rain covering the skyline slowly. Every hallway feels disconnected tonight, like forgotten signals trapped in concrete. Street lights blinking through heavy fog, mechanical shadows across empty windows. Fading frequency. Broken pulse. Pressure crawling through the silence. Acid frequencies ripping through darkness, like electrical burns inside steel veins. Nobody speaks inside this warehouse. Only movement, only shadows, only basslines shaking the floor. Distant, static, distant, static, black, signal, black, signal. Disappearing through tunnels, empty reflections behind scratched glass. Every face feels emotionally erased, like the city forgot its own pulse. Static underneath sleepless eyes, electric tension beneath pale skin. Even silence sounds synthetic now, mechanical, restless, disconnected. industrial fog, acid distortion tearing through the system. Like fear transformed into sound waves. Everything feels darker tonight. Cold lights, cold air, cold shadows. Distant, static, no frequency. Distant, static, no return. Keeps fading. Somewhere beyond the skyline. Something invisible keeps moving through the system like a ghost, trapped inside the circuitry. Rising, signal distortion. Pressure spreading through the circuitry. Kick drums smashing through underground chambers. Smoke spiraling beneath red warning strobes. Bodies moving like shadow machinery. Lost inside industrial repetition. Acid frequencies ripping through darkness, like electrical burns across steel veins. Nobody speaks inside this warehouse. Only movement, only shadows, only basslines shaking the floor. Train lights fading into tunnels, empty reflections behind scratched glass. Every face feels emotion disconnected, like humanity disappeared into static. Electric pressure underneath tired eyes, signal interference beneath pale skin. Even breathing sounds synthetic now, mechanical, restless, disconnected. signal collapsing. No silence inside the circuitry. Smoke flooding across warehouse floors. Bass pressure shaking steel foundations. Dark silhouettes beneath red lighting. Moving through industrial thought. Acid discussion tearing through the system. Light fear transformed into sound waves. Everything feels darker tonight. Cold lights, cold air, cold circuit. Circuitry keeps running. Somewhere beneath the static.